Frequently asked questions from Searchbug community. Bulk phone validation. First, what is bulk phone validation? The bulk phone validation service is a quick and easy way to obtain information on a list of phone numbers. Determine line type, landline or cellular, line status, active or disconnected, federal and state DNC list status, SMS email information, CNAM, caller ID, location or time zone, and much more. There are 4 different options for bulk phone validation. Which should I choose to learn the DNC status of my phone numbers? To learn whether a number is listed on federal or state do not call lists, you may choose either line type plus DNC or reachable number. Reachable number is the most comprehensive option and offers a complete 360 view of a phone number. You can compare service offerings on the bulk phone validation page. How much does phone validation cost? Bulk phone validation pricing is initially based on the number of records in your file. The more records in your file, the lower the cost. You can utilize our online pricing calculator to determine costs before you proceed. Searchbug also offers monthly cumulative volume-based pricing, which means the pricing will get cheaper and cheaper with each upload in a given month. My bulk upload has paused or failed. What should I do? If you experience a paused or failed batch, no need to worry. These are typically caused by temporary communication loss. Our system automatically sweeps every 10 minutes and restarts/restores any such cases. Additionally, our live customer service team also monitors the batch dashboard to ensure that all batches are processed promptly. There is no need to upload the batch again. If the problem persists, please feel free to reach out to us via phone, email, or live chat Mondays to Fridays 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Pacific Time. Got more questions? Visit our help center or contact us today for more info.